So let us find out what you have written. First, Vinit. What you will play?
The bishop on f1 to f2.
Bishop on
Sorry.
f1 to
e2, sorry.
e2. Okay, okay. I will note this down. Kinnari.
Bishop on c1 to e3.
Okay, Kinnari said this. Fine.
No,
Duck.
c1 to e3.
Sorry. C1 to E3. Okay. Okay. Daksh. Yes, Daksh. Everybody will get chance. Daksh, come on. Okay, Urvi, tell me. Urvi.
No, sir, I had a doubt.
Who has got the doubt? Urvi. Urvi has the doubt? Yes, Urvi, please tell me your doubt.
Sir, is it important to move the pawn in the opening, or we can move any other?
No, you can do anything. No issues. Opening can be anything.
Sir, Daksh can't open his mic. He has put it
Okay.
in the chat.
Okay. Let me see the chat. Where is the chat? Yeah. Sir, not able to unmute. Okay. Daksh can write the move over here. You write your move over here. Till that time, Parth, tell me your move.
Sir, the bishop on f1 to b5.
F1 to B5. Okay. Check. That is check. Good. Okay. Vishwas.
Bishop on c1 to e3.
C1 to E3. Okay. Tanvi.
Same.
Same. Soumya.
Bishop to e3.
Okay. Aradhya.
Bishop on c1 to g5.
C1 to G5. Okay. Fine. Aryan.
Sir, bishop of f1 to b5.
F1 to B5. Okay. कौन रह गया अभी? Anybody left? अथर्व. नीरज. अथर्व.
Sir, the bishop of f1 to b3.
Okay, F1 to B3. B3? B3 नहीं, B5 में जाएगा वो.
d3.
D3. Okay. नीरज.
Knight to g5.
Knight to G5. Okay. Then who left? Anybody left? Daksh, you haven't told, no? Let me see if you are told in the chat. No, Daksh has not told. Anybody left? No. So here the best move was this. Best move was this. No other move was good. No other move. Why? I will tell you. Number one, it is creating
Sir, can I say?
space for castling. Yes.
Sir, the knight to g3.
Knight to G3 knight G3 में नहीं आएगा बेटा. Knight cannot come to G3. Pawn to G3 आएगा.
Black's one. Black's knight.
No, no. We are now thinking about white's turn. White's turn. Knight to G3 नहीं आएगा. Now I will tell you why. Because it gives you castling opportunity. No other move gives you the castling opportunity. So this is the reason number one.
Another one.
Yeah. Tell me, beta Shubhankar.
Sir, the knight to D2.
Knight to D2. Okay, fine. I will consider that. Now, apart from this, somebody said this. This is second best. This is second best move. And why I am saying these two are good or little better moves? Because here there is an attack going to come on your king. And these two moves, this and this, these two moves are stopping this attack. Otherwise, when you move this over here, bishop, which is bad, this will kill the bishop. And killing the bishop, what will happen? You cannot protect because there is a check. Check is created. Even this bishop goes over here, giving check. What will happen? This will come and attack on your bishop. Again, you have to move your bishop. So, moving same piece again and again in the opening is bad. That is why this bishop over here or this bishop over here are good. Let us see what happens if these good moves are not done and any other move. For example, somebody said this or somebody said this. Forget it. These are usual moves. Don't worry about that you are making any mistakes. We will consider this move. Attacking this. Now just see what is happening. Check. What has happened? Check is here and attack is over here. And you cannot come for the rescue because attack is also over here. If you try to save with the queen, queen gone. And if you try to save with this, still queen gone. You save this way, still queen gone. You cannot save your queen. That's all. And the trap. This is the trap. You are losing your queen in the opening. And why this happened? Because of this attack. Open attack. And that is why this knight killed the pawn after the queen came. After the queen came. Earlier killing this is not good. If you come over here, what will happen? You know, immediately white will come. Now attack. And if you also come, still you will lose. You will lose. If this comes, you are not going to move this, otherwise this will lose. You have to play this or something else. Now this comes, takes this, that's all. समझ में आ गया आपके ट्रैप सबको? ये सिंपल ट्रैप है. ये ट्रैप रेयरली खेला जाता है. Rarely, I said. Very few people they play this trap because this is a equal position. कोई problem नहीं है कि ये trap खेलने के लिए. When opponent plays this, simply instead of protecting this or protecting this, you can counter attack. That is the best. And what white also does is that white don't take this. White plays very normal. And then you can play also normal, simple. And it goes with the similar attack. Even if this comes, this is castle, and this is also castle. And this is equal game. Equal game. Even if this is what we say is a Geico piano or Italian attack, it is not doing any harm to black. Not doing any harm. Any questions if you haven't understood? Any questions?
No, sir.
Perfect. So what we have done today is we started
No,
with
sir.
e4 pawn. Yeah, e4 pawn with reply e5. And then this Italian attack we started, or Roy Lopez attack we started. Tomorrow we are going to see a trap in this. You know, after this, somebody plays this. When you play this, somebody plays this instead of this. Huh? Then you go with this. Sorry. This. Then you go with this. And this is the trap again. So many things. I will show you tomorrow. I will show you tomorrow. These attacks, small traps are there. Winning one single pawn is also a trap. Single pawn win is a trap. King के लिए जाने के लिए काफी time है. I will show you that also. There are two important traps which I want to teach you. That is, one is that fried liver attack, and one is elephant trap. We call it as an elephant trap. So these two traps I will teach you tomorrow. Good. Okay, it is rather difficult at your level because I will be teaching first few moves only. Entire trap सीखने के लिए काफी time लगेगा आपको. But आपको एक idea आना चाहिए कि you have to play with the principle. Whenever you are violating the principles, you fall into the trap, or your game falls. Don't violate the principle. All your creativity will start after 10 moves or 15 moves. Afterwards, all creativity. For first 10 moves, you have to be very, take all safety precautions. Then your game will improve. Otherwise, शुरू में ही पहले 5 मूव में अगर आपका पीस जा रहा है, अगर आपका एक पॉन जा रहा है, तो आप आगे कितना भी खेलेंगे तो भी हारने ही वाले हैं. अगर आगे हारना नहीं है तो शुरू में आपको कुछ भी लूज नहीं करना है. और उसके लिए प्रिंसिपल्स जो मैं लिख के दिए हैं वो आपके दिमाग में बैठने चाहिए. बाय हार्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए, दिमाग में बैठने चाहिए परमानेंट. प्ले विद द सपोर्ट, दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल. एंड कैसलिंग करो, ये सब चारों पीसेस बाहर निकालो. दैट इज द वे. So with this I am stopping our class over here. Tomorrow you please write down what is to be learned is that we are going to see common traps in Italian opening. Italian opening के कुछ common traps है, 2-3 traps है that we will learn. Okay. So far no problem na? You are understanding slowly. I am going little slow. नहीं तो मैं इससे भी ज्यादा फास्ट होता है एक्चुअली. बट इसमें कोई अगर तकलीफ है तो आप बोलना. इससे और स्लो करना जरा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. I will try that still if you have got any problem. Good. Yeah. चलो bye then.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night, sir.